In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Great Start Academy won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Great Start Academy and Bible knowledge. On which mountain did Abraham take his son Isaac to sacrifice him?
Mount Carmel, Maria, or
Mount Maria.
Mount Maria.
Correct. Emmanuel, on which sea did Jesus walk on water?
Galilee.
Galilee.
That's correct. International affairs, it's a visual. Great start. Look at the monitor and identify which South American country's map is displayed.
Nigeria. Brazil. South America.
Brazil.
Incorrect, it's Argentina. Emmanuel, look at the monitor and identify which Central American country's map is displayed.
Mexico.
Correct. Science, great start. What part of the human ear collects sound waves?
The pinna.
Correct. Emmanuel, after sound waves are collected by the pinna, where do they travel next?
Drum.
Incorrect, it's the ear canal. Television, it's a visual. Great start. Look at the monitor and give the first and last names of this cartoon character.
She's from Rugrats. You know her? Okay. Dejanay Powell.
Incorrect, it's Susie Carmichael from the Rugrats.
Next one.
Emmanuel, look at the monitor and give the first and last names of this cartoon character.
Kimmy Finster.
Correct. English language, back to you, great start. In the correct order, spell the homonyms which mean the act of seeing and to mention or make reference to.
Sight and sight. SIGHT and SITE.
Incorrect, it's SIGHT and CITE.
Next.
Moving over to you, Emmanuel. In the correct order, spell the homonyms which mean a passageway in a church and a short name for land completely surrounded by water.
AISLE and ISLE.
That's correct. Music, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this singer. This is for great start.
Michael Jackson?
No. Elvis Presley.
Incorrect, it's Prince.
Next.
Emmanuel, look at the monitor and identify this singer.
Michael Jackson.
Correct. General knowledge, great start. Which U.S. state is known as the Golden State?
California.
That's correct. Emmanuel, which U.S. state is known as the Peach State?
New Jersey.
Incorrect, it's Georgia. Social studies, great start. Which peninsula separates the Gulf of Mexico from the Caribbean Sea?
She said peninsula, which is, I don't know, so.
Panama Peninsula.
Incorrect, it's the Yucatan Peninsula. Emmanuel, Central America forms an isthmus between which two continents?
North America and South America.
That's right. Jamaican proverbs, great start. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Anyway, Margot?
It broke.
Correct.
Can you guys hear?
Emmanuel?
Yeah.
Complete the Jamaican proverb. And not everything good for eat?
Good for talk.
That's right. Mathematics. This is for great start. What is the value of x if 5x minus 80 equals 0?
16.
That's correct.
Nice.
Emmanuel, what is the value of n if 7n minus 98 equals 0?
14.
That's correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Great Start Academy on 5 and Emmanuel Christian Academy on 8. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Don't multitask when you're studying or doing your homework. Instead, focus on one task at a time and you'll find that you'll get more done in less time. Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.